Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a sun visor in a Toyota Camry. First, carefully examine your sun visor to pinpoint the exact problem, whether it's a loose hinge, a broken clip, or complete detachment. Having a clear understanding of the issue will guide your repair process. Next, gather all the essential tools you'll need, such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Also, confirm you have the correct replacement parts if necessary. Now, let's move on to safely removing the damaged sun visor. Begin by locating the small plastic cover at the base of the visor, near the headliner. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to gently pry this cover open. Once exposed, you will typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws. Unscrew these completely. If your visor has a vanity light or mirror, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new or repaired sun visor. First, if your replacement visor includes electrical components for a vanity light, carefully connect the wiring harness. Ensure the connection is secure and clicks into place. Next, align the base of the new visor with the screw holes in the headliner. Insert the 2 or 3 retaining screws and tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. Finally, snap the screw cover back into place. After installation, it's crucial to perform a few final checks to ensure everything is working perfectly. Gently move the new sun visor through its full range of motion. Make sure it pivots smoothly and remains securely in any desired position. If your visor has a vanity light, turn on your car's ignition and test the light to confirm it illuminates properly. Finally, ensure the visor clips securely into its retaining clip when stowed, providing a snug fit and preventing any rattling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.